Creating a Python file in Visual Studio Code is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Open VS Code. Launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. Create a new file. Either click on the File menu and select New File, or press Ctrl+N or Command+N to open a new untitled file. Set language mode. VS Code automatically detects the language based on the file extension. For Python files, the extension should be .py. If it's not set automatically, you can manually set the language mode by clicking on the language indicator at the bottom right corner of the status bar and selecting Python from the list. Write Python code. Start writing your Python code in a newly created file. You can write Python code, import modules, define functions, classes, etc. Save the file. Once you're done writing your Python code, save the file by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save or pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S. Choose a suitable name and location for the file and click Save.